Jack wins. Clear! Oh, God, fuck. Just like the Greeks. I want to kill you, Captain Page.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jordan. I couldn't do it.
This boy comes to the door, tries to kiss me, then he throws up and starts crying.
My body wouldn't let me violate the sacred bonds of marriage, sir.
It was a gesture, Angie. I'm saying I'm sorry.
I'm at the end of my rope, Tracy Jordan.
But baby.
No more jewelry with my name misspelled. No more sexually explicit skywriting. And no more white boys throwing up in my damn foyer.
What do you want? I'm willing to try anything.
Okay, here's what I want. From now on, I want you like white on rice. You are not to leave my sight for 1 second. Ever.
All right. That's what it takes. That's what it takes.
This grilled cheese has mayonnaise in it.
What?
Is it really worth it? I wonder. I mean, I almost let a man die today, Cable, and for what? For a bigger office? For more money?
Jack. So, how's the ticker? Devin told me. He said you're not a low man.
Well, what do we figure about Devin for the moment? Are you concerned about my heart, sir?
No, not at all. Not after today. You out there with those boys in your condition and talk about heart. Take care of yourself, Jack. I've technically died twice. It's not fun. But I'm not going to be around forever. And at some point, I want to spend more time with my grandkids. Take my boat down to the islands. Get to know my secret family up in Canada. But I want you to know you're on my list.